boat on the river. I need to go down, I need to come down. Take me back to my boat on the river, and I won't cry out anymore.
Time stands still as I gaze in her waters. She eases me down, touching me gently with the waters that flow past my boat on the river, so I won't cry out anymore.
Oh, the river is wide, the river, it touches my life like the waves on the sand.
And all roads lead to tranquility base, where the frown on my face disappears.
Take me down to my boat on the river, and I won't cry out anymore.
Hey! Oh, the river is deep, the river, it touches my life like the waves in the sun. And all roads lead to tranquility base, where the frown on my face disappears. Oh,
Take me back
to my boat on the river. I need to go down. Will you let me go down?
Take
me back to my boat on the river, and I won't cry out anymore. And I won't cry out anymore. And I won't cry out anymore.
Thank you.
Nice one.